Best AI art generators compared. Welcome to Tech Parades, exploring the future of technology. AI art has officially gone next level. But which generator is actually the best in 2025? In this video, we're comparing the top AI art tools side by side. First up, Midjourney, a powerful tool known for its stunning visuals. Here's a quick walkthrough of its user interface. Check out these images generated using diverse prompts. Pros: exceptional quality. Cons: complex for beginners. Best for fantasy art and immersive visuals. Next is DALL E3, renowned for its creativity. Let's explore its intuitive interface. Here are two creative outputs from DALL E3. Pros: highly creative. Cons: limited styles. Ideal for marketing and social media visuals. Now let's look at Leonardo AI, a versatile contender. Check out how Leonardo's interface supports creativity. Look at these unique creations made with Leonardo AI. Pros: broad style range. Cons: can be slower. Best for logo design and branding projects. Next, we have Adobe Firefly, known for its editing ease. Let's take a quick tour of its features. Here are some stunning images crafted by Firefly. Pros: easy to use. Cons: less variety. Perfect for quick marketing assets. Now let's check out Stable Diffusion, a flexible gem. Here's a glimpse into its functional interface. Here are two captivating pieces created by Stable Diffusion. Pros: versatile options. Cons: requires some learning. Best for creative professionals and developers. As a bonus, we have Artbreeder, perfect for face blending. Here's how Artbreeder allows for creative input. Check out these fascinating blended artworks. Pros: unique outcomes. Cons: limited detailed controls. Best for character design and concept art. Lastly, let's look at Runway ML for video generation. Here's a look at Runway ML's powerful tools. Look at these amazing video outputs produced effortlessly. Pros: fantastic for video. Cons: subscription cost. Best for filmmakers and content creators. Now, let's see a side-by-side artwork comparison. We'll rate each tool on image quality, prompt accuracy, speed, and ease of use. Results are in. Best overall, best for beginners, and most creative output. Final verdicts are up. Let's recap the top picks. Which tool blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Thanks for watching Tech Parades, your front row seat to the AI revolution.